Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. My last order from Blue Pine Arts came with some samples of their watercolor paper, so I wanted to use these and a couple of the watercolors I swatched in my previous video to paint two very quick mountain landscapes. For the first painting, I used the color Nebulla Green on a white watercolor paper sample. The color flows beautifully and has great tonal range. This means that I can get very dark and very light tones with just this color. If you'd like to paint this, I'm blending the bottom of each mountain with water. This creates a clean line at the top and a gradient at the bottom of the mountain. Before you start the next mountain, make sure the paper is fully dry to prevent color bleeds. For the second painting, I used the dot sample of Rose Doré, a shimmering gold to rose watercolor, on a black watercolor paper sample. Shimmering watercolors tend to behave more like wash. They don't spread easily when used wet on wet, and this means that it's harder to get a smooth gradient when blending them directly on the paper. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and consider clicking the notification button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Until next time!